Hey guys, it's Amy with Thing to Plan, and today I am flipping through colorful florals. Okay, I think everyone's like super excited because every time Happy Planner releases any release, we're always looking for florals. So here for their spring 2021 release, there is at least one floral book, and that's colorful florals. So I'm really excited to flip through this and take a look and see what's in here. So just so you know, I did find this at my Michael's. I'm assuming just based on like some of the like planner groups that I'm in that this was actually released ahead of schedule. It wasn't actually meant to be released yet. And I know like for a fact that the Happy Planner hasn't even officially previewed their spring release. So this is being released prior to even the official announcements by the Happy Planner. So if you're interested in this book, I guess like the point here is if you're waiting or looking for this book, just wait a little bit and you should be able to find it in the next few weeks. It will eventually release to Michael's and maybe to a couple of other stores, and definitely to the Happy Planner website. You just have to be patient to wait for it to come out. But I will, for Michael's, include the SKU number and a link directly to the Michael's website to where I found this, so you can take a look at it and see if you can try to order it for yourself. Okay, so without further ado, colorful florals. This is 613 pieces, and again, colorful florals here, right? And we're gonna just jump right in. I'm assuming this will be florals. Colorful, colorful florals. You know, sometimes it's a little bit self-explanatory. All right, so this one has gold foiling, all right? And so this one says, I must have flowers always and always. I think that's definitely true for me as a happy planner. I love florals everywhere. Live life in full bloom, all right? And like, that's so pretty. Okay, look at this one. It says noted and has like a floral pattern around it. And this one says, remember this. Look at these florals. These are so pretty. Look, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Stop and smell the flowers. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Okay, stop and smell the flowers. Here's like a little functional box. You could probably write on this too, but I don't know if I would. This is on clear sticker paper. Look at these. These are like layered boxes. Those are so pretty. Look at, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, I really love the sticker book. Of course, I love florals. Okay, so look at those. Those are so gorgeous. Everything on here. Ah, look at this box. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at this is so cute. It's like kind of like this unique shape, and then it has the floral, and then you have a spot right here where you can kind of write something right above it. So that's really cute. And these like little buttons have things like focus on friends, gratitude, focus on growing, loving, doing, wellness, family, loving, right? So that's really cute. Right, here's some more, again, like some functional boxes with florals in it. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. This is kind of like a rose gold foiling here. This is a really, I love this sticker right here. This one says bloom. I love this color. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Wow. Okay, so again, this is like rose gold foiling, bloom, grow, and happy. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Look at this. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, how many times have I said pretty? But it really is just like stunning. These are really cute. Okay, like I personally don't like the color blocking like this, the contrasting kind of like flip-flop type of thing. In certain cases, yes, but I don't know if I would use it like that. I'd probably cut it in half and use it just like separately. These are cute. I love that. It has like a very faint like outline of the florals like there. And then these are like affirmations. I can meet goals. I radiate positivity. All right, those are really cute. And so colorful and bright. I love looking at that. All right, again, some like functional boxes. This is on clear sticker paper. I'd be really concerned about writing on this, so I'd probably use like a Sharpie marker for that. Right, and then again, some functional boxes. Very cute. Here are some florals, right? Gold foiling here. And again, more florals with gold foiling. And then this one, again, like I love this shape. That's so unique. I really love that. Okay, that's really cute. These are like kind of like priority boxes. That's kind of what I call them. Right, and then we saw this earlier, but this one is like the black and color version, not the foiled version. All right, and some like big quotes with like, what are those? Like paint smears. That's what I call them at least. All right, these are like some black florals. These are on white sticker paper. And then this is on white as well, this color. Like, seen this already, but that's really pretty, right? We've seen something very similar to this, again, just with maybe different colors. And then here are some alphabet and, well, this is numbers. Wait, just numbers? Okay. Oh, okay, well, that was probably a mistake. That sheet was probably meant to be the other way around. Okay, so check to make sure yours is not inside out or backwards. Anyway, so it's probably meant to be the other way around. Like you can see here, like I punched through the Y. Okay, well, just getting back on track. Here's some more alphabet stickers. Then we've got alphabet stickers just in a different color. Super cute. It's more like jungle colors. Really love that. And here are some florals. This is gold foiling, so maybe hard to read. Keep going, keep growing. Sunshine is the best medicine. I just love this line art. It's so pretty, right? And then the last sheet right here is some more line art, and this is on white paper, sticker paper. So that is so gorgeous. This entire sticker book is just beautiful. I love this sticker book. I love florals in general, and then obviously, like I am a huge fan of the line art. So if you've watched some of my previous videos, you should know that, just because I just love that style. So this sticker book is definitely a keep for me. I love the sticker book. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Just as a reminder, if you are interested in getting this book, just keep in mind that it did release early at my Michaels, but it should release in the next few weeks for your Michaels. Just be patient. It will eventually come to your Michaels or release to local stores for you. So again, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye guys.